welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a really fun, quick video for you guys. I'm showing you my quick, easy 8-product makeup routine. This is what I will do when I'm trying to get out the door and put something on really quickly, just enough so that I feel good, but I don't spend a ton of time on my makeup. This is what I will do. I only have 8 products on my face. I can do this in about 10 minutes and that's it. So I hope you enjoy it. I'll be sharing all the products in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anybody you think might like it. Also, please subscribe before you leave. I post a new video every Wednesday and Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and let's go ahead and get into my 8-product makeup routine. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. New videos come out every Wednesday and Friday. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, simply be you, and I will see you next time. Bye.